See that? That's a pike. Not a little pike. Not a baby pike. Not some local name for pike. What are you eating there? That's a pike. Got it? A real one. Now that's something more serious. My friends. Wow, what a beauty. Not just a dog. Greetings, my precious buddies. Hiba paiba, as we say on our channel. So, we have Black River, a nameless black river in Karelia with rapids. Let's see. We'll do some fishing, maybe we'll catch something, maybe we won't. I brought a lot of cameras with me. It doesn't look great, but at least it'll be informative for you if I film. Alright, let's go. Less talk, more action. Let's do it. Come here, take this. So, did all this shift, huh? I'll fix it easily. Hold still, straight. Like this, see? Bravo. The first one, friends, a little perch. Who are you barking at over there? We don't keep ones like this, we let them go. But it's good that it bit. Oh, it's still slippery. Drew, just don't follow me. No way. Come on, go ahead. The tractor won't start, and to get it running, we need a thing like this.
This is our Hasvik GP 3000 Max jump starter. The starting current is 1500 amps.
Peak current is 2500, output voltage is 12 volts. Capacity is 26,800 milliamp hours, 2-year warranty. That's what it is. It even has a compass. With a compass, you see, so you'll never get lost. Now look at what we have in the package. In the package we have a cigarette lighter. And this... what's it called? Well, basically a cigarette lighter. It has a boost mode, LED display, and it also works as a power bank. Power bank. Here are the outputs. This is fast charging, Type-C, and USB. Okay, let's open it. Oh, wow. I haven't seen it yet. I just ordered it quickly. So, what's this? What's this? Big gifts, photos. Okay, Kasvik. Oh, let's take a picture and we'll get it, right? Alright. So, here it is. This kind of box. A cool box, by the way. I haven't opened it yet. Here it is, brand new. Let's check it out together. Whoa, the device itself. Guys, I never fuss over things. I always have them with me. Oh, a compass, guys. With a compass like this, we'll never get lost in our lives. Well, just kidding, of course. It's just, well, there's a compass, that's it. So, we press, check the charge. Fully charged. There's a button like this. It's, I'll say, stylish and hefty. Made in China. So here it is. Model GP300 Max. This is the on-off switch. So, when we turn it off, it doesn't work. The button will never turn on. There you go. So, it's a lock. We have these little things here. Let's open it up. There we go. Everything's fine. Alright, and this is for charging. But by the way, chargers from other cars will fit. Look at this box. This little thing. See? Here's something interesting. Let's open it. I can already see something cool. Oh, friends, Kasvik, professional car accessories. Oh. And a Jeep, most importantly. Well, cool. Already some kind of freebie. Well, instructions. Guys, have any of you ever read instructions? Of course not. Let's move on. Let's move on. This is actually the thing itself. We're going to need it now, guys. We've never started anything like this before. Take a look. Sorry about this. I'm doing it with one hand. This little thing here is for charging. Alright, we'll need it. Here are the alligator clips. Wow, they're really strong. It's the first time I've seen ones like these. You know, you could use them to work out your wrist. Okay, here it is with the little screen. This thing right here. We'll connect it now. There's something else too. Is this, let's see, a branded one? No, it's not branded. It doesn't say Hasvik. Power adapter, 18 watts. Like this. Let's see how it charges everything. And that's not all. There's a thing for jump starting, which will probably be very useful. Alright, that's it. We're putting everything back. Man, the case is cool. You can carry anything in it. Let's connect it. Here it's showing us the voltage. 16 volts. Alright, that's it. Let's go start the tractor, friends. Kasvik GP300 Max. It will help us start the tractor. Let's go. Here it is, friends. Our test subject. Basically, it won't start. We need to get it running so we can do village chores. This little thing here should help us deal with it. Friends, look at how the starter is spinning now. No. We've been doing this for a long time. It just doesn't work. So, should we connect it?
Yes.
Alright, friends, let's connect it. Open the bomb bay, damn it. The chief mechanic of the state farm is connecting a dead battery. No, why are you disconnecting it? Ah, okay. Here, look, wait.
You don't need to do that. But how am I supposed to start it?
Alright, friends, let's go. The main thing is there's a compass here. Let's start this monster. Come on, it should start now.
Did you turn it on?
For some reason, one bar has already vanished.
Did you turn it on?
Come on, let's go. Whoa. Alright guys, it's working. By the way, with this thing, you can start it a few more times, so we turned it off on purpose. We press off and disconnect it. Otherwise something goes like Payu. Also guys, we need this thing for the ATV because our ATV doesn't have any other way to start it, it only has a starter. So that the starter works in case I forget to turn off the lights or if the battery is faulty. The Hasvik jump starter will be coming with me. Here we put it in the ATV. And that's it. And we're happy. So what's up? Hi. Where to? What are you doing?
Kapag na.
Don't touch it. Why are you standing there? Catch it too. Any way you can. Even bears catch fish in the rapids. What's up with you? Are you going crazy? There. Who? Who? Fool, you're scaring the fish. I told you to catch them, not start barking and scare them. So, you're the one scaring them. I knew it. Druhnia, no. No. Druhnia, don't you dare. Druhnia, no. Druhnia. Drew, wait. Oops. Here you go, friends. Quiet. Strange. They changed the lure. Put on some kind Italian or something. A viewer once sent me his gear, and there was a lure like this in there. I think it was Uncle Andre from Moscow. Got the first one. It's a nice one. We'll leave it here and pick it up on the way back. With the first pike, friends. Right, Driun? Driun. Haha, where are you going? Giving her fins. Damn. Ah, it's snagged. Druhnia. It's snagged? It's snagged, guys. So how are we going to unhook this now? Right, Drew? I forgot about this river. This river here, it doesn't forgive. This river here doesn't forgive. Safe. Unsafe fishing, right, Drion? How are we going to unhook it? Don't worry.
Got it.
Did you see that? And you were scared. Something's here. Something happened. Something bad. Alright, since we're here, let's do it. Whoa. Doreen, did you scare off that one over there? The big one? There's a bit of water here. Okay, this isn't bad. We reached the rapids. Did you see that? Where? Da da da. You can take this one now. No, that's not yours. What? Are you waiting for a fish? Friends, do you see over there in the snag? Let's see. My lure got stuck on that snag over there. I don't know. Maybe it's still hanging there now. It used to be stuck in the snag like that, and I was afraid to climb over there for it. Let's go take a look. Let's set it up. Let's see if we have anything in our arsenal. And we need to set it up. Actually, you can use a weedless jig there, but I'm afraid if a big pike bites. Okay, let's put on this one, this little devil. And perch bite well on it too. But on the other hand, this one works really well, damn. No, let's go with this one. This is a lure from Siberia. I remember they sent me 10 of these and all of them were torn off by big pikes. Yeah, this kind of lure. Homemade, let's try it now. Be quiet. Be quiet. How is that possible? Friends, I remember this place. There used to be more water, and from this very spot, I caught 4 pike on one lure. They were about 1,700 grams each. Not very big, but still. There. And here she is. Also not very big. Oh, look at you. Oh, look at you. It's not too big either, just right for drying. Now this one's more serious. Now this one is something more serious, my friends. Now this is something more serious. Now this is something more serious, my friends. Whoa! Beautiful mom. Thank God. Okay, I still need to film you too. Quiet, quiet, quiet. Droin, step aside. Oops! Beautiful mom. Thank God. Okay, I still need to film you too. Quiet, quiet, quiet. Droin, step aside. Well, my friends, it's a very small one. Now that's a pike. Drew, come here. Drew, do you see how big it is? Did you see that? That's a pike. Not a little pike, not a baby pike, not a pikelet. Ha ha, what are you eating there? That's a pike, got it? A real one. Friends, well, we have a pike. Well, it's not big. Alright, I just told stories about how I caught 4 pikes here, and here I managed to persuade 2, as they say. Whoa. Someone else, friends. Looks like a big perch. Oh, it's snagged. I just snagged the perch by the back. Where? Dum-ta-dum. Perch? Ah, no, a small pike. It won't let go. Letting it go. Pike, I'll come for you. Someday. Druin.